Okay, we will be making a video on how to use Zoho Mail. This is what we'll be using with all your email communications. Unfortunately, I don't have a mic right now, and we are stuck at home, so I'm making the video over my mobile phone. Okay, so we start off with opening zoho.com/mail. The link will be sent to you, and you can click on that, and you will end up here. You click on login in this corner here. Okay, so that's login, and you click on login. You enter your email address. For me, it's ayaz at sublimecareteam.com.au. Okay, so that's my ayaz at sublimecareteam.com.au, and then you click on next. Click on next. It will ask you for your password, and I'll just paste in my password. The password also will be shared with you, so you don't have to bother about that. That's my password, and I say sign in. I'm using a two-way authentication. I'm using my mobile phone for an OTP, so I'll enter my OTP as well. You might not need this. Okay, I'll say trust. So this browser will not ask me for an OTP for another 180 days, so that's 6 months. I say skip, and that will take me to the Zoho Webmail version browser. Okay, so this is pretty much like what you do with your Gmail. You have your inbox, your drafts, your templates, your sent items, your spam folder, your trash, or as you might call it, deleted items folder, and so on. And on your extreme left, you have mails. You have your calendar, so you can store your events if you have any reminders you need to set up. You have your tasks, and so on. You have your notes, you have your contacts, and then you have your bookmarks. Okay, so it's pretty much the same thing as Gmail. You click on new mail, and you can compose your mails. You can type your email here, and you click on send, and that should send an email. You click on inbox, and that should take you to your emails. So this is what you have. You can click on something and on one of the emails, and this is just an email. For you could just go through them. This is your reply to all, and your forward buttons are out here in this corner. You have your reply to all, and forward. Pretty much straightforward, nothing complicated in that. Thank you.